Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying a new holiday set from Kristen Ess and Target. So as you guys may have seen from my Target beauty preview, I tried a dry shampoo from Kristen Ess that I just wasn't a big fan of. It just left like a white cast in my hair. But today we're going to be trying the Rose Gold Goals Kit Temporary Rose Gold Tint and Celestial Bobby Pins. It looks like this. Now I have watched some videos on this to kind of see what the end result looks like and to kind of get some tips and suggestions, so I'm going to share those with you. But let me tell you a little bit about this. It says pink hair will never go out of style. Pair this temporary tint with my favorite Celestial Bobby Pins and you'll quickly realize everything that glitters really is rose gold. And it says for the tint, it says for ways to play with pastel hair tones. This is the first ever in-shower watercolor that creates a temporary tone when sprayed on wet hair and then rinses out. The intensity is up to you. When you spray it on damp, towel-dried hair, it will soak up more color and last longer. If you spray it on wet hair, it will give you a more subtle tone and will rinse out faster. The pink tone is most visible on pre-lightened, highlighted, or blonde hair and washes out in 1 to 3 shampoos depending on the porosity of your hair. So to use it, it says shampoo your hair and rinse, which is what I'm going to do in a minute. Apply spray in the shower on wet hair. For a more intense pink, towel dry the hair before you spray. For a more subtle pink, spray it directly on freshly rinsed hair. The less water there is, the more tone the hair will soak up. Think of your hair as a sponge. It is full of water, it can only absorb a little. Once you feel you've covered the hair you want to color, wait 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse and follow it up with your favorite conditioner or mask. It says to do a test piece, but if it washes out, I'm not that concerned, and it's Tuesday when I'm filming this, and then we've got Thanksgiving and then a weekend, so I'm not really concerned. I can wash it a couple times before church or before I have to be anywhere important. So we're going to give this a try today. So if you guys are curious to see my experience with this hair tint, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair and I have briefly towel dried it, but after watching some other videos, because I wanted to kind of know what worked for people and what didn't, they suggested blow drying your hair if you would like a deeper rose gold, deeper pink color. So I think that's what I want to do. So I'm going to dry my hair and apply the color, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I dried off my hair a little bit and then I sprayed on the hair tint. And then I waited for about 10 minutes, rinsed it out, and did a deep condition. And then I got out, put my hair up in the towel, so I haven't seen it yet. So let's do the reveal together. Ooh. Okay, so this is the color. Right now I can already tell that it's not spread evenly through my hair. I sprayed it all the way to my roots, and my roots are still the exact same color. So if you have darker hair, I'm not sure how well this will work on your hair color. And then in the back, I even sprayed it all over the place, but there's still some patches that did not dye. Let me brush it out, blow dry it, and show you what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, so before I straighten and style and finish my makeup, this is what it looks like. Freshly dried. You can see that the ends soaked up more of the color than the roots. I don't see any rose gold or pink at all around this scalp, and I definitely sprayed it all over, all the way up to the roots, and then I piled it on top of my head and let it sit here for about 10 minutes. So it looks like it's not going to work very well if you have this shade hair or darker. That's just my experience. My ends are like my summer color, and they're always lighter. So this color soaked in really well on the ends, as you can see. Let me do the part down the middle so you can kind of see it on both sides of my face. So you can kind of see it's more pinky purple than rose gold in my opinion. I wouldn't call this rose gold. There's no hint of like orange or peach to it at all. It's pretty much strictly pink. And my ends were like light blonde. So I'll do a before and after picture right here for you guys. And then I'll be back to show you when it's all done and styled at the end. Okay guys, so here is the end look. Let me rewind a little bit. I tried out the Eco Hair paddle brush on my hair today, and it worked out really well. It didn't pull up my hair, it made it nice and smooth. And I also tried out this Maui Moisture Color Protection Sea Minerals Heat Shield Mist for color treated hair. I've never really had color treated hair before, so this worked out really well. It didn't fry my hair, it kind of just it protected it, like it said, and this smells amazing. So I really like these two together, which are things I tried for the first time today. Moving on to the hair color. I love the way that it turned out. I just wish I had gotten more color where my hair is darker. So it really only soaked into the lightest parts of my hair, like the ends and the parts that are the driest. So I wish that it had worked well on the darker part, but I kind of got this very gradual, subtle ombre effect, which I'm not complaining about. I've never tried like a hair tint before, so this is really neat. As you can see, I'm wearing a white robe and it's not transferring. It's not transferring to my fingers. Even in the shower, it didn't stain my skin, which I really liked. So let's talk about the packaging. This is a beautiful peach bottle with like silver sparkle all over it. It's beautiful. The nozzle worked really well. You're able to kind of target certain areas, but the overspray does get on the walls behind you, so make sure you do it in a shower or someplace that is easy to clean up afterwards. It did not stain the skin, it didn't stain my hands, my nails, my face, anything like that. So, yeah, you're gonna go through an entire bottle of this if your hair is my length and my thickness. I do like the way that it turned out. Like I said, it's not transferring. I was able to straighten it. It didn't get on my brush. It didn't get on my straightener, so it's not coming off on anything, so it's kind of like transfer proof. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear this today and for the rest of the week, and I'll let you know in the description box below how many washes this lasts. I have a feeling it'll last for at least 2 or 3 because my hair is porous and dry and kind of holds on to things once they're there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of try on and review of the Kristen Ess Rose Gold Temporary Tint. I think it's a really fun product. If you're looking for like a pink temporary hair color product, I would definitely check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.